Environmental issues in Nebraska are always going to be here. There are so many leading things to environmental issues, from tornadoes to pipelines, that is being put in the United States. Several things I have learned were highly populated or polluted rivers in Nebraska, the destruction of habitats in Nebraska, and pipelines. Environmental issues leave impacting issues with possibly a better solution. I learned that there are high rates of around 55% of the United States rivers that are highly populated or polluted. They become polluted from water that becomes contaminated from farmers and the fertilizer that they use, along with animals and waste that runs in the animal waste that runs into the river. The chemicals that companies use as well. One solution for cleaner rivers would be filtration. River water should be safe enough for humans and animals to drink, swim in, and swim in. Another thing that I learned was that the destruction of habitats can lead to death of animals. Some things that lead to destruction of habitats would be polluted rivers, loss of water, and trees being cut down. Some of the largest areas that are being affected by the destruction of habitats are rivers, prairies, and wetlands. Just a few things that I learned about pipelines were that 36,000 gallons of oil was dumped into the river by Montana. They are ruining water sources for animals, and when the pipelines rupture, it wastes billions of dollars. Using other sources of travel for oil, such as trucks and trains, could result in less rivers becoming contaminated and less animals affected by this, along with all the money that is lost due to pipelines that have ruptured. Environmental issues are becoming higher and higher as rivers, animals, and humans become more affected by them. Highly polluted rivers, destructions of habitats, and pipelines are just a few of many environmental issues. But it's finding the solution and staying with it that helps the environmental issues.